Hi everyone, this is Andrea from CareVoice and Bloom team. Really happy to join today Asia Healthcare Innovation Summit to talk about prevent and cure through technology to keep your employees happy. Why we choose this topic? Today, COVID pandemic, this is really hard to take care of yourself and your employees. And this is really important that you bring them all your capabilities and all your support to keep them efficient in their work and productive. And if we look at the salary and top talent that you have in the market, we can definitely say that salary is no longer the main determinant for employees to stay with a company or to be attracted by a company. Employees' benefits are more important than ever. With the COVID pandemic, healthcare benefits are super important to meet the needs of your employees. I would say with a mix of component compromising holistic well-being considerations alongside group medical insurance. Now, by saying that, what is existing in the market to help people to be happy, to help your employees to feel happy, and help them prevent and cure potential disease. First trend that we see in the market, telehealth. Social distancing due to the COVID-19 had increased the popularization of telehealth services. The high demand has led to insurers adopting digital medical services for consumers to experience timely and convenient access to medical aid. Around 50% of insurance providers globally offer insurtech services across all plans, insurance plans, and 22% offer telehealth in selected plans. So definitely expertise in telehealth is becoming a satisfactory and desirable alternative to in-person care. You don't want to see a physician, you don't want to go to hospital because you're afraid of catching the virus. You use teleconsultation service thanks to your insurance policy provided by your company. Then the second trend is around wellness and health monitoring. Virtual technologies are extending their capabilities beyond healthcare into wellness. So to improve preventive care, some insurance companies are beginning to provide health tracking and monitoring technologies to help the insured person monitor their well-being. Some of these wellness apps can even identify members at high risk for medical condition, cholesterol, diabetes, high pressure, and give them suitable suggestion. Then another one is around virtual healthcare. Health management mobile apps can provide virtual symptom check, remote medical consultation, and access to a network of medical providers and booking services. So concretely, all the services are here to, help the employee, the individual, you and me, to find the best solution considering my existing symptom and maybe my chronic disease, my existing illness, and do it in a smooth way. I can do my symptom checker because I feel a bit dizzy, for example. And at the end of my symptom checker, I will have some recommendation to the best medical provider, or maybe to stay at home, or maybe to be pushed to a pharmacy network. And then the process of booking a physician, for example, if I really have something that needs to see a physician, will be very smooth thanks to all these new services that are coming and all the connection that has been done in the market. So concretely, it's offering a convenient and remote access to medical services. Then let's talk about lifestyle technology. Awareness for well-being and lifestyle has been raised this last month. And just like with the pandemic, everyone was talking about how to keep, healthy and in a good mood. And actually, insurance companies are also providing more technology to accommodate lifestyle changes among consumers. Insurance plans may include digital services such as fitness tracking watches, food and nutrition, tracking function, exercise monitoring apps, or even guided meditation or podcast, health article. The services aim to improve the overall health of user as part of preventive care. And if you prevent, illness, you can actually also have an impact on the well-being of your employees. Then another point that has been improved this last month is what we call online claim management. So this is a very basic one. You feel sick, you see a physician, and then you will process your claim. And actually, this process has been more and more efficient, and procedure for claim has been simplified this last month, especially for employees. So it means that for smaller companies with fewer administrative resources, automated and online procedure can streamline the claim processes with fast and easy steps. Employees can handle their claims independently, lifting the workflow of company management. What is the conclusion of that? I'm an employee, I can process my claim easily. I don't need to see my human resource manager or the founder of my company, or just, see different people. I'm saving time. It's easy, and I feel confident with the way that my company covered me. Just let's have another look to mental health. Mental health, it was a huge topic this last month, and it still is, because actually in Hong Kong, the stress levels increased by 28% and anxiety level rose by 42% since 2019. Interesting number is also that 27% of employees have experienced mental health issues in the past year, with the top 3 concerns being contracting the virus, lack of social activity, and job security. I would say that contracting the virus is for everyone, right? Employee or non-employee, parents, people retired, children. But lack of social activity and job security, this is where you can also play something with, as a founder, as a human resource manager, you can actually have an impact on that, providing everything that you can to prevent and cure if something is happening. And so this is what we call providing a holistic care for employees. So providing employees with comprehensive care shows that the company values them and they grow along with the company. A successful well-being strategy has become more multifaceted since the pandemic, with a strong connection across physical, mental, and financial health in achieving well-being. First one, physical well-being. Being physically healthy is fundamental for an effective and efficient team at work. Excellent health is what keeps your employee coming back to work and not on sick leave for extended period. If they feel comfortable, in a good shape, obviously there will be more performance. What you can provide on your side? First one, health insurance. We already talked about that, but providing health protection will be the most straightforward way to care for the health of employees. Then we have health and wellness support. A crucial part of maintaining physical well-being will be developing healthy lifestyle habits. Companies can provide health management resources for employees through internal companies workshop, gym perks, and health newsletters. I give you some example. In our co-working space here, we have some session of yoga or session of meditation. It seems nothing, but it's actually something very engaging, and a lot of people are going there and talk, and also, realize that with, small activities, or this kind of activities, you can actually feel better. Another way is that we've seen in the market. I give you an example with Uber. Uber offers a wellness program where employees can allocate their credits for certain benefits like gym membership, massage, meditation classes, and annual checkup. So here it's, as an employer, how you can actually bring something to your employees. You can organize events, or you can bring, experts to meet your employees with small things like health article or doing activities together. You can keep your employees in good shape. But actually, you can also rely to your insurance company, because some insurance plans include wellness programs as well, with benefits such as body checkup and health tracking tools, which can help employees to stay healthy and prevent diseases. And it's actually your role as a founder of a company or a manager to push them to use everything that is included in their insurance plan and keep them healthy. Especially if it's things like free body checkup or health activity tool. And healthier employees can potentially lower claim ratio. This means renewal premiums for our employers can remain more stable and resist price increases in the long run. So, what can you create on your side? First, health-aware culture. A team culture that promotes health awareness helps to keep everyone accountable for their own personal health. Second, healthy work environment. A working environment that can support better health and lifestyle goals that can help employees keep on track with their healthy lifestyle. I feel good at home, I feel comfortable, I feel that my company is supporting me in these difficult times, and I'm more efficient. Then around well-being, I talk about that, right? Well-being, mental well-being is really important because we can see that people suffered this last month. Mental well-being is crucial to the productivity of employees. The productivity will suffer when their mental health is suffering. It is estimated around 80% of doctors' visits are from stress-related issues. And you know, when you visit a physician with potentially mental issues, actually it can also have an impact on your physical situation. It has been proved that people with a high stress level have an impact on their whole body, and it can be also related to cancer. So besides flexible working options, management and health technologies are definitely key. Remote working has led to employees being isolated in their homes, and the lack of supportive environment has led to many experiencing work from home burnout. So project management tools can form better collaborative work relationship, and subscription to stress management apps, meditation and chatbot apps also helps improve employees' mental well-being on a personal level. That being said, you see the trends of the market. You see different digital services provided by health insurer, but also by other tools that we can find in the market or on your phone. At CareVoice, what we've done is actually very straightforward. We created a health insurance solution made for startup and SMEs that we call Bloom Team. Bloom is concretely health insurance employee benefits designed for startup and SMEs. And as mentioned in the name, it's not only insurance coverage, it's also a global coverage with digital services to help cover employees on their overall health. So we eliminate the unnecessary coverage and hidden limits. We design the perfect mix between technology, services, and health coverage. It's transparent and easy actually to sell to SMEs and startup, and it makes a difference because when we talk to SMEs and startup, they feel that we are not only pushing a table of benefits with simple coverage with some limits and just trying to do traditional insurance work. We are actually trying to understand their needs, understand the company, the different level of the company, how the company is working, and support them. One part is health insurance coverage. The other part is well-being, mental well-being, and physical well-being. So we bring digital services like symptom checker, hospital directory to find the best provider, meditation, mindfulness class, a chatbot to detect people with mental health issue. So like that, has founder of a company, as a manager, I can detect if my team is okay, if my team is happy. And this is making sense, to prevent and cure your employees and keep them productive, keep them happy in the company, and comfortable. Thanks for your time, and if you have any question, feel free to use the chat to send us your question. Have a good day, everyone.